Okay, eliminating the parameter. What exactly we're going to do is we're going to find the rectangular equation. So suppose the parametric equation is this right here. X equals t squared minus 4, y equals 1/2 t. What I have to do first off is solve for t in one of the equations. Now obviously it'd be easier to solve for t in this one. Multiply by 2 would give me this. The next thing we do is then we're going to substitute this into the equation right there, like our substitution property, and then we simply simplify. So we have a process x equals 4y squared minus 4 is an equation. Now I changed the parametric, which has it in two forms, x and y with a t, really three variables to where we just have two. This would be the path, but this would tell me where the ball is at each second along that particular path. So basically, and you might recognize this particular problem as a horizontal parabola with the vertex at -4, 0. Okay? So sometimes you have to alter the domains for the graphs to like work in certain problems. Alright? So let's look at another one. X is 1 over square root of t plus 2, and y equals t to the t plus 2. T plus 1 over t plus 1. I would probably work with this for our top one. Notice if I square both sides, I have an x squared. I get rid of the square root here, and 1 squared is still 1. Now multiply everything by t plus 1. Now what we don't know, we're going to multiply, divide everything by, no, we multiply everything by t plus 1 and divide by x squared. That's what we did. We cross multiplied, in a sense, this t plus 1 times here, and also multiply this by x squared. Again, what happens is this: t will be 1 over x squared minus 1 on this particular function. So now then plug it into the other equation right here. Notice it's in green. So I plug it in there, and now I need to simplify. Well, the 1's are going to cancel. And now if I multiply, I have this right here. I multiply everything by x squared. Okay, give me answer y equals 1 minus x squared. That's how I made this one into a rectangular function. So notice, to eliminate the parameter, you need to solve for one letter, and then you plug it in the other one. Solve for t, substitute in the second, and then just simplify. Those are the steps involved. Solve for one of the t's, doesn't matter. Substitute in the second equation, and then put it rectangular form right here.